Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix a very beautiful wet plate, glass plate, how to fix it in a very proper way in a high quality frame. So this is the frame. I don't know how to say in English. In German we call it Objektrahmen. I will show you why. So, just opening it. Here is the back side. The Passepartout. Including a distance frame. And the glass plate we have to clean. Okay, so at first I will take the Passepartout, placing the wet plate on it, checking the distances. So this is a frame where I have more or less 3 centimeters around, because if you want to present a wet plate in a proper way, you need some space around. Normally I'm taking bigger frames to have much more place around. But in this case the customer wanna have this size of frame. Okay, now it is adjusted. It took a while. For the next step I'm using a hand tool. It is just a pin with a strong handle to have it under good control. So with this hand tool, I'm now and I'm also wearing gloves not to bring any finger marks on the plate. So now I'm fixing the plate a little bit, taking this hand tool and pressing some marks into the Passepartout. Okay, taking the plate by side. Now you see the marks here. In the beginning I took a drilling machine and a drill to drill these holes to fix the plate later, but then I've seen it is much more easily to do it just with a needle and a hammer. Quite easy. So, and this for all 4 edges. Okay, the holes in the edges I've done with the nail, and now I'm preparing the wires to fix it. So this is a very smart solution. I think every one of you have seen it before, and it is very easy. So just bending it a bit open, using this hand tool, making it a bit straight. So you see, like this. That's it. Very easy. I need 4 of it. Okay, 4 of it. That's enough to fix the pick in a very good way. I know some of you will say, why are you doing it that complicated? Because you can also fix it by using some glue tape or whatever. But you will see later on, this is a much more professional and beautiful way when you see the result at the end. So now I have to bring some distance pieces on the back side of the plate. So I just need, I'm just taking here these little things here. You have seen before, I'm sure. You can just pull it off. It is just to glue it under chairs or tables, not to scratch the floor. I'm using normally 2 of this, so each of it has a distance of one thickness of 3 millimeters. So by using 2, you see it is more or less 6 millimeters. Now I take a cutter knife and cutting it into 4 pieces. So one, so these in here. It is more easy than it looks like. I'm not cutting it to save some money. I'm just cutting it because in this way it fits perfect to the plate. You see, one corner, next corner. Third and fourth corner. So pressing it a bit. It is not that important that the glue at the plate is gluing it for hundreds of years or whatever. It is just for installation, or it is just to mount it. Okay, so now the back side again, on the passepartout. My pick, you see here, and I'm placing it onto the plate. You see this distance, and at the end in the frame it looks very beautiful. So now I'm just using a piece of wood to have some distance here, and to use these little wire pieces. The last one. Oh, lost one. Oh, okay. Didn't saw on the black table. And the last one. No. Okay. Now Now there's a stage you have to be careful. You see, now I have to press the corners a bit down to have some pressure between, and if you do it too strong or using too much power, you will crack the plate. And now I'm just pressing it down a bit and bending the wire. Okay, so now you see here on the back, and it looks like this from the front. Last time, checking the position, so this is okay. This too. Because you see, it is not glued. It is just fixed with this wire corners, with this wire in the corners, and you have the possibility to adjust it a little bit in which direction ever you need. Okay. Now, now I'm just cleaning it a little bit to have no dust on the pick. Okay, very beautiful. Putting it by side. Now I have to clean the glass of the frame. It is a bit boring. I will make a short cut. After I've cleaned it, I will start the video again. So now the glass is cleaned. Making some space here. Okay, clean glass. Taking the frame. Putting the glass into the frame carefully, this glass. Then taking the distance frame, putting it also into the frame. Here you see. Yeah. And now I take my beautiful plate and placing it here in the frame. You see, now it looks a bit ugly with these wires, but in this case it is a very good frame. There's some second backside. And I'm just putting this backside here into the frame and fixing it. Very easy. Every one of you can do it in such nice nice and beautiful way. Just being a bit careful. So that's it, fixed. And here is the result. I hope you see it very good here. Nice. You see here, it is not that easy to show it with this little camera, but if you see it directly hanging on the wall, it is so beautiful to have a nice wet plate fixed in this way with these wires at the corners, with this distance from the backside, so everyone can see that is not just a print on paper or whatever. It is on a real glass plate. It is so beautiful. Sorry, but I love it. Yeah, so that's my way how to fix wet plate in a proper way in a frame. You can also use larger frames with more place around. It is how you like it, but this is the minimum with more or less 3 centimeters distance around and a huge frame here. And it is also important, normally I'm using black frames. You can also use white frames, but by using black frames it is better for the plate, because if you are putting such wet plate in a white in a white frame and with a white backside, the plate looks very dark. But by using a black frame and a black background, the wet plate looks more bright. One way is also to use, for an example, for someone who loves a white frame, to use a white frame in combination with a black background. This is also possible, but this way, just in black, is the way I love most. Okay, guys, so I wish you good luck and a lot of fun with some plates you will maybe fix in a way like this. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.